Let me tell you 6 reasons why you have to buy the Trinity Village by Element Access Solution.
In a prime location, Hazard Edge, Chantilly, Phuket. In 10-minute drive to Butri Water Park, Haystyle International School. Many beautiful beaches, Bangkok Beach, Lion Beach and Banana Beach. Also the Portodor Phuket and the Villa Market. Concept design and comfortable layout. The Trinity Village, inspired by a contemporary pool villas, offer a perfect blend of the modern, traditional, and minimalist design. We are offering 3 types of the pool villas, which are suitable for the couples, a group of friends, small family, and big families. Type A, 3 bedroom, 4 bathroom. Type B, 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom. And Type C, 4 bedroom with a bedroom and 6 bathroom.
As you can see, we have a big scale of the kitchen with very nice built-in furniture. Also, we provide you a full kitchen appliances. And here is a dining table which can accommodate the big family or a group of friends up to 10 people. The spacious living room comes with a high ceiling here and also with the pool access function.
We have experience in real estate over 19 years, developed over 28 projects in Phuket. Whether you are buying the property for residential or investment, we always have a team to support you. Investment opportunity. This area will be developed and become a luxury residence zone in the future, and the property value will be increasing, so it can make the profit for you by that time. Flexible payment option. Our project allows you to pay in installments over 1 to 2 years. According to the construction progress, this gives you security and time to plan your finances.
This is just some reasons to buy the property with us. Contact me for more detail and arrange the viewing.